Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offers expert boiler services in Los Gatos, California 95030, specializing in repair, maintenance, and installation for gas, radiant heating, and hot water systems. Our experienced technicians focus on energy efficiency and ensuring the longevity of your equipment, making us a trusted choice for all your heating needs. Are you looking for boiler services in Los Gatos, California 95030? You can stop looking, you found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What boiler services do you offer in Los Gatos, California 95030? We offer comprehensive boiler services in Los Gatos, California 95030, including installation, repair, maintenance, and energy efficiency upgrades. Our expertise spans gas, hydronic, and combination boilers, ensuring your heating system operates efficiently year-round. Do you service gas and hydronic boilers? We specialize in servicing both gas and hydronic boilers, offering repairs, installations, and maintenance. Our skilled technicians ensure that all types of boilers run efficiently and reliably. What is the service area of Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides services in various locations around Scotts Valley, including Bonny Doon, Rio Del Mar, Aptos, Boulder Creek, Chemeketa Park, Brookdale, Capitola, Soquel, Live Oak, Lomond, Seabright, Olympia, Mount Hermon, Laurel, Felton, and Santa Cruz. Where is Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located in Los Gatos, California? We are located at 4736 Scotts Valley Drive Avenue Suite 50, Scotts Valley, California 95066. Our phone number is 831-292-5238. Visit our website at www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Scotts-Valley-Plumbing-Draining-Water-Heater-Repair.